morning. This is a quick video to show you how to access the writing notes in your writing teams. So you're going to go to your teams where you see all of your teams, whether it's like this in squares or you have a list that goes from top to bottom. You're going to select your writing team. So you're going to look for the little icon with the composition book and the pencil. So you'll click on it, and then it takes you automatically to general. You're going to go up here to the top where it says files, and you should see 3 folders. So the first folder has your class materials. It has all the packets that we use every day. If you, for some reason, you forget it or you lost it, they're all right here for your convenience. Oops. Let me go back. And for being a writer notes, you'll click on this folder, and it should have all of the charts that we create in class together. So you can switch the view to tiles if you need to, so you can see what file is which. So these are all of our anchor charts that we write together in class, any notes that we write down, so that's for being a writer. And this third folder here is for grammar, so you click on that. You can change the view to tiles if you want. And it'll show you all the different anchor charts that we've created together as a class and some of the grammar rules. So and when you click on it, it will make it bigger, and then you have access to it. So these are all the things that we've worked on in class for your convenience. They're here. They're also in the video should you need to go back and you want to hear some explanation on any of these. You can always go back to the video and listen in. These should also be something that we have in our journals already, but if for whatever reason you don't have it or you didn't write it down quick enough, you have them here for you. And yeah, that's all I wanted to mention, and that's it. End of my video. Thanks.